this one's probably gonna smell good. Let's take a whiff. I can't do it. It smells like actual butt.
Even you could ride all them suns. That's the game that you play. Trying to ride all them runs, but you commit.
What'd you get?
Fabulous cooler.
The sunset's so pretty. Where are we? What are you doing? Matt, where are we? Tajay.
And I'm frozen in your headlights. Deep in the haze of your
We back at Natalie's house. I didn't even press record that last time. Woo! Okay, but I have hair in my mouth. So we went to Target and we got this like just a shirt or whatever, and it's super cute. And then we were in the girls section for quite a while just looking, and we had like 10 or like 12 items or something like that. And then Natalie was like, let's just go in the men's section. She's just looking at her bralette right now. But we went in the men's section and there was this like navy sweatshirt and it was like oversized and it was super soft, and we were like, oh, it's probably like 25 bucks, but
$13.
it's so comfy. And then we just got like some candy, and now we're probably just gonna watch The Fault in Our Stars and cry.
True.
Good morning! It's part 2 of this video. We're gonna go to the beach and cue Starships, the song.
Red wine. Let's go to the beach, let's go get a wave. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink, clink, found a Bud Light. Bad me, it's hard to come by. The Patron, let's go get it down. The sound, yes, I'm in the zone. Is it too?
I love to dance, so give me more till I can't.
Alright, so we're back from the beach and obviously I got a little burnt, but it's fine. And I didn't really vlog down there because we were just having so much fun. Okay, actually no, truth is I forgot to, so that's fun. And we're just walking Winnie, and I'm hoping she doesn't chew on the leash and go completely insane, but that's probably gonna happen. Probably.